Hello and welcome to this short video. Today I want to show you how to create welding forms for your Tubesheet Mockup. Now in this example PQR, you'll notice that I have selected this Tubesheet Mockup. Now this is going to do a couple things for us in our form. The first thing you're going to notice is a change to some of your inputs. Within your joint selection, you'll notice that our Tubesheet ligament width is an input now, as well as the joint image has changed. So you'll notice that if we go and turn off this Tubesheet Mockup, that will change. That ligament width has now been removed and our joint image has changed. We'll also see a change in base metal 1 and base metal 2. So I'll go back in and turn on our Tubesheet Mockup, and you'll see now that we have our tube sheet and tubes. Now, this won't only just affect some of the inputs, it'll also affect the essential variables that we're checking for. If I go into my joint and I remove some of those essential inputs or essential variables, now when I run my code checks, you'll see that will not only show you the input that's missing, but a reference to code as well. Now, this will carry over into our other forms. So I'm going to go back into our joint, add back in those essential variables. We'll recheck our deficiencies. And now what I can do is carry this information to our other forms. So for instance, if we are creating a welding process specification, we can use this form to generate that WPS. So because we've selected that this is a Tubesheet Mockup and we have some of the required inputs already in this form, we can automatically carry those values over when creating our WPS. Now the WPS is not the only form. If you are creating a welder performance qualification, we can also enter some of those values and calculate those ranges based on the WPS that's selected. Now, if you'd like to see a personalized demonstration, please feel free to give us a call at area code 941-927-2670, or you can reach us by email at sales@codeware.com.